Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Dhan TradingView. First, you'll need to link your Dhan account to TradingView. This integration allows you to access powerful charting tools and real-time market data directly. Once connected, you can execute trades seamlessly, making your analysis and trading workflow much more efficient. It's a straightforward process that opens up many possibilities for active traders. TradingView offers an extensive suite of charting and analysis tools. You can explore various chart types, from traditional candlesticks to more advanced options, helping you visualize market movements. With over 100 technical indicators available, you can perform in-depth analysis to identify potential trading opportunities. Drawing tools also allow you to mark key levels like support and resistance, enhancing your strategic planning. Once your analysis is complete, executing trades on Dhan through TradingView is simple. You can place various order types, including market, limit, and stop-loss orders, directly from the chart. This allows for precise entry and exit strategies. The platform also enables you to efficiently manage your open positions and pending orders, giving you full control over your portfolio. You can easily review your trade history too. Beyond the basics, Dhan TradingView offers advanced features to enhance your trading. You can set up custom alerts for specific price movements or indicator crosses, ensuring you never miss an opportunity. Creating watch lists helps you monitor your favorite stocks and assets efficiently. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. This platform truly empowers you with comprehensive tools for informed decision-making and a streamlined trading experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.